Hi guys, Namaste everyone. I hope everyone are staying safe and healthy at home. To the continuation with the part 1. In the last session, we have seen all about taking the safety measurements at acute care hospital setup. Today, we are going to see about the maintaining the social distance, following the hand hygiene and hand washing techniques, and cleaning our equipment after every use with the patients. So for this video, Sandeep and Anju have come forward to show you the video. So basically guys, as a healthcare professional, it is also very important to maintain a social distance whenever we are talking to our colleagues, whenever we are talking to the caretaker, whenever we are talking to anyone in the hospital setup, please do maintain the social distance. And it is also our responsibility to wash our hands or to keep it clean for every 10 to 15 minutes in a day. So whenever we are using the systems or whenever we are using our personal equipment like steth or straws or telephonic tones, anything, whatever we are using it. So after every use, please do keep it clean, sanitize it, so that we can be free and safe from the virus or the infection. So in this video, they are going to show, Sandeep and Anju are going to show you about all this video demo. So please do follow all these techniques and please do maintain social distance and follow or take all the precautions so that you all can be safe from the infection. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, follow all the safety measurements. Thank you all. Here the two colleagues are showing us today about the social distance. How we need to maintain the social distance at the hospital setup. So hereby, you should maintain a social distance even at the hospital setup. If your colleague is coming and talking to you with the nearby, there is a chance of droplets to fall into your eyes or on your face or in your hands, anywhere on the paper. So please do maintain a social distance. If someone is coming closer to you, instruct them to stay far away, maintain the distance, and just do namaste and sit together with a maintaining proper 2 feet distance and have a conversation. Hello guys, here Sandeep is showing us about the hand hygiene and hand wash techniques. After touching the patient or after touching the patient's surroundings or after using the computer system or after doing any activities which can get exposed to the virus. So now the hands are now clean. So the first step is to remove your gloves. Yes, she'll be discarding it now. Now we need to take enough amount of soap into your hands. Took the soap. Now we have to, let's see all the hand washing techniques with the soap for 20 seconds. Take out the tissue, open your tap, wash your hands with water. Turn out the tap with the tissue again. Now your hands are clean and safe from the germs. Now let us all see how we need to clean the steth after using any clinical auscultation during the swallow evaluation. First clean up your hands, then take the gauze piece. Take some amount of sanitizer in it. Clean the cells head neatly. After every use, after every single use with the patients. Now it's safe. You can put it in your neck. Whenever you're using or working with the system works, please do put on the gloves and use the system. Here Anju is showing us after talking telephonically how we need to keep our telephone safe. So let's see how she is going to keep her phone safe. Oh, this is alcohol swab. We all get it in our hospital setup. So please do carry a small alcohol swab packets in your pocket. After using your phone, please do clean your phone with the alcohol swab. See, we got a small pouch of alcohol swab. She is cleaning her. She is cleaning her screen completely. After a use. Now it's safe. So please do clean your phones after every telephonic conversation and put that in your pockets. It's clean from germs. Clean your hands with a hand sanitizer for every 10 to 15 minutes by following all the hand steps so that your hands are free from germs. Thank you, Anju, again. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you, Anju. Thank you so much for making this video understandable to all the healthcare professionals. I wish they understood it and they got some sort of the message from this video. I hope they all follow this kind of social distancing and hand hygienic techniques at their healthcare professional, all the healthcare professionals at their hospital setup. I really thank you so much, and guys, you all too stay safe, stay healthy, follow all the techniques whatever you have seen in this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, love you all, bye.